Hi guys, so today I was originally going to do a haul in a normal style, but then I just wanted to do something a little bit more informal, more chilled, and also skip right to the good stuff, which is showing you guys the clothes on. So I'm going to do kind of like a casual try on haul, show you these pieces, and I've started with a good one. I made a Free People order recently. They had a huge sale on. They don't often do sales of that kind. I think it was 20% up to 200, 30% for over £400, I think, 30% off. Anyway, it was a really great sale and I bought some things. Unfortunately, it was only for 24 hours. I did put some stuff on my Instagram, so you may have seen that. But anyway, so I bought some stuff. I'd actually wanted to place an order like a few weeks before, and I was like, do you know what, it's too expensive. But when this sale came up, I was like, this is a sign. So I put some things in my bag. So first up, I got this amazing jacket. It's called the something liner jacket, but basically it's a very silky, very soft, it's kind of like a lengthy bomber jacket style. And it's just so gorgeous. It's got kind of like a patchworky effect. There's kind of seams all over. It feels like you're wearing a blanket. I can't describe to you how soft it is. It's in my favourite colours, these kind of sea greens, sea bluey greens. It's just like my favourite colour in the world. And it was a pricey item, so it kind of made sense to buy it whilst the sale was on, because I have had my eye on it for ages and I'd kind of given it up that I would not ever own this jacket, but here we are. It is so nice, you guys. This is in the small to medium. It does come up quite oversized, which I like. You could wear a jumper easily under this, or you could wear things over the top, which I quite like. It's got a kind of versatility on that front. And it's also really cozy and genuinely quite padded and warm. It's not going to be, though, like, if I lived in Edinburgh still, I wouldn't use it as my only coat. It's not that warm, but certainly for a London winter, it's a nice piece and it will keep me perfectly warm, especially with a jumper and stuff if you layer it. But it is just gorgeous. I mean, look at it. It's incredible. I love it. That is piece number one. Okay, piece number two. You guys will probably be familiar with this jacket if you have followed me for a little while. This is one of Free People's Dolman quilted jackets. I have two other colours of this. I have it in the green and I have it in the cream. And now I have it in the black. I know it's a little bit excessive, but I have had my eye on the black for ages, and I just thought now is the time to get it. It's often out of stock as well, so I was like, let's just go ahead and get it, or I will regret it. I believe this is actually the small size. I like to get either extra small or small just because it is quite oversized, but this one feels a little bit smaller than the cream, which I think I've got in small, and I've got the green in extra small, I think. Anyway, I believe this is the small size, but I will write it down below just in case I'm wrong. It is a washed black, and the reason I also had my eye on this is because I just wanted a black jacket that was neither a blazer, nor a leather jacket, nor a denim jacket, because sometimes either one of those just doesn't quite work with an outfit. So I wanted a black jacket that kind of fulfilled that role. As always with Free People, it's really nice quality. It's heavy. It is quite cozy and warm. You know, this isn't a jacket you could easily get away with wearing in summer. It is going to give you that extra warmth. You can layer stuff over it because it's got that kind of big round shape to it. It's just a lovely jacket. You guys can see that. I just think it's so soft, so cozy. I was going to wear this inside the other day. I was like, I don't really want to take it off. I just want to kind of chill out in it. It's very comfy. And I am all about comfort. Like, I swear one of the main tenets of my style these days, of what I actually wear day to day, is just comfy stuff. But yeah, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I think that's enough Dolman jackets for now though. Third and final jacket. This is a gorgeous Marquez Almeida denim jacket, which you may have seen on my Instagram recently, and it's got a bit of shape to it, it's got a bit of structure to it. It's one of the only jackets I own which I actually like done up. Jackets so often look really frumpy on me when I do them up just because of my breasts and various other curves that I have. So yes, but because this one really like caters to those curves and kind of comes in at the waist and stuff, it's really, really beautiful done up. The sleeves are my favourite bit though. Look how they just kind of puff out like that. I'm not doing anything. I don't have to somehow keep them looking like that. You know, like when you have jeans or whatever and you want them to kind of sit out at the hips. Yeah, this is the arm equivalent and they stay like that, and I just absolutely love it. Like, it looks incredible, as you can see. Yeah, I love it. I love the utility style, the washed black, washed red even. I believe this is actually part of their spring summer collection, and I probably will be wearing it a lot more when it warms up again. But I saw it on the website and I just thought, I can't let this piece go out of stock, so I bought it. But yeah, it's beautiful. So final brand I'm going to be talking about today is SÉZANE. They very kindly sent me a gift card. So most of these pieces are gifted. I did buy some myself, but it was all in one big order, so I don't know which is which. But I thought I would include them in this video because I'm absolutely in love with these pieces. If you don't know, SÉZANE is a French brand, and they make gorgeous clothing, sort of again kind of mid-range prices like And Other Stories kind of prices, and the quality is gorgeous. When it arrived, I was so happy because yeah, it looks lovely. You'll see a few pieces in this video anyway. This is the first one, which I just think is so chic. It's a hoodie, kind of knit, light knit. I have worn it without a t-shirt on underneath before as well, and it kind of covers your modesty. You're not kind of going to flash anyone, but it has got these really delicate kind of holes in it, so it looks really light and it feels light on the body whilst also being quite cozy, quite warm. One of those perfect like transition pieces. You can obviously tuck it in. I've worn mine tucked in already, and it's just beautiful. I love the hoodie kind of part of it. I just think it adds a kind of extra little touch, and it's such a gorgeous knit. Like, I was really in need of some new knits because I think I just needed a bit of a refresh on the jumper front, because most of mine I'd had for like 4 or 5 years. Still keeping them. I've archived them like I said in my vlog before, but yeah, I just needed a bit of a knit refresh for this winter, and yeah, SÉZANE really hooked me up because there are more knits coming away. But I'm in love with this. I will put sizes and stuff down below as well. I'm sorry, my loves. It is so gloomy in here. It's pretty early afternoon, but it's so grey and dark outside, so I'm sorry if the lighting's a bit all over the place, but I am loath to turn the big spotlights on because it's just so, makes things look so weird. But anyway, this is the next piece, another knit from SÉZANE. Honestly, how gorgeous is this? It's like an old-fashioned style knit with little bobbles on. I feel like a little grandma in it. I'm loving it. And again, on the website they mostly style them like fully tucked in to trousers and stuff. You can obviously do a half tuck, you can do a full tuck. That should kind of give you an idea of what it would look like tucked. But it is so... Oh, hi Mickey. God, he scared the life out of me. Hi, do you want to be on camera? That's very nice. Yeah, and I love the colour, this kind of periwinkle blue. Okay, another knit from SÉZANE. This is a beautiful cream jumper, a bit of a different style. This one's got a big, is it boat neckline? Obviously it will look beautiful on its own as well, so you can get a little bit of collarbone, but I quite like it layered as well. Kind of very French. Again, they style this one lots tucked in on the website, which kind of will look like that, which is obviously a really lovely way to wear this jumper as well. But I do love that you can tuck them in, but also they have a good shape to them so that you can wear them untucked as well. So many of my jumpers really don't look good kind of untucked, just sitting on the body, and I always have to kind of half tuck them. But I do quite like that all these jumpers are kind of designed so nicely shape-wise that you can wear them untucked. But But anyway, a lovely, lovely piece. I love the detailing on this. Again, kind of very traditional, perfect for winter, perfect for feeling a little bit Christmassy, I feel. Another really beautiful piece. Another absolutely gorgeous piece from SÉZANE. This one I wore to dinner last night, so you can see where I've tucked it in. I'm going to tuck it in for you guys in a minute. But this is what it looks like untucked. So again, it's actually quite nice to untucked. It would look nice with like skinny jeans or whatever by itself. And yeah, it's just this like kind of, I don't know, what do you call this? I want to say like broderie lace or something. It's got this kind of lace detailing all around the collar, all down the front, on the sleeves. So, so pretty. And I love that it kind of looks a tiny bit aged as well. It's got this kind of off creamy colour running in some of the stitching, so it's got a kind of like an old look to it, which I just think is so, so beautiful. And yeah, anyway, I'll tuck it in for you guys. So here's what it looks like tucked in. Obviously it looks great. I'm loving it. I just love a blouse these days, especially when you're kind of stuck for something to wear for dinner time or something like that. I just love a good blouse. So and this one's really, really beautiful. Love it. Next up from SÉZANE, I promise I will get back to Free People as well. Just doing all the tops first. But next up from SÉZANE, I have this gorgeous shirt. I couldn't feel more French than I do in this shirt. Oh my goodness. It obviously buttons all the way up to the top. I think it would look beautiful on a half tuck as well. I love a crisp shirt. I'm getting more into it as I'm getting older. I just love a crisp look. Obviously I've done that in a little bit of a rush, but I think on a half tuck it looks so nice with kind of half of it hanging out. And I love the colour. It's like kind of a light blue, very classic shirt look. And yeah, I love it. Okay guys, next up we have two pieces which are styled together on the Free People website, and I didn't even realise I'd actually bought both pieces. So I basically bought this outfit, so I thought I'd put it together for you for this video. First we've got this little crop. It's gorgeously soft, just a little crop top that's just a really, really gorgeous shape. I mean, beautiful with jeans, with everything. But I am wearing it with this super long, gorgeous kind of checked maxi skirt situation. Very Free People, kind of a little bit out of my comfort zone. I wouldn't wear it with these shoes, by the way, but I'm just sparing you from looking at my feet. Probably would wear it with like chunky boots or whatever. It needs a little bit of taking up. I just think it could do to be just an inch or two off the floor, and then it would be perfect on me. If you see, if I kind of roll it up, like it just could do to be about there, I think. So I'm going to take that to the tailors, but I love it. I think it's like a nice alternative to jeans and whatever for the winter period. Just a nice alternative to trousers, because I just end up wearing trousers and jeans the whole time and I get bored. And this one's quite thick, it feels warm, it obviously goes down basically to the floor. So if you've got boots on or whatever, it's keeping you covered up, you're going to be nice and warm. But yeah, a really beautiful piece and I like it, and I'm missing this kind of thing in my wardrobe, I feel. But yeah, could do to come up a little bit and just kind of sit maybe more like there or there. But yeah, also this top's very versatile and would definitely recommend this piece as well. It's so soft as well, but great for layering and all that kind of good stuff. Okay guys, next up we have these gorgeous trousers from SÉZANE. How beautiful are these? Obviously again, I need to get these taken up because I'm not this tall. And obviously you could also wear them with heels. What I do think SÉZANE would be really good for actually is like stylish workwear. So I do keep meaning to do a workwear lookbook, so I will do that at some point. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful trousers. They do these in all sorts of colours. So I will leave a link down below. But these are so beautiful. Can't wait to get them tailored so they fit my height, but they're good around the waist. Can't remember what size they are, but I will write them down below. And they've got a little bit of give to them around the waist as well, which means they're not too uncomfortable either. I've had to give up the ghost, you guys, and put the overhead lights on because obviously it was getting really dark. So I've stepped back a bit so that I'm not directly under them, so you can see a little bit better. But these are some gorgeous, very festive gold sequin trousers from SÉZANE. Again, they're a little bit long on me, but they are so beautiful. If you are looking for something fun for your Christmas party that's also kind of chic, I love the patterning of the sequins. It's very cool. It's like almost like stripy. I will certainly be cracking them out this festive season. I love them. I feel very like 70s in them. I'm enjoying it very much. Okay guys, this is the comfiest piece of clothing I've ever owned in my life. It is this jumpsuit romper type thing from Free People. It is incredible. As you can see, I haven't worn it outside yet because I'm actually like, if I put this on and wear it outside, I will never wear anything else. This is in the kind of wheat tea colour. Obviously the spotlight's kind of changing it, but they do it in a few colours, and I can't tell you how tempted I am to get it in another colour because I can tell I just want to wear this for the rest of my days. It's beautiful. It's so soft. The best things about it is that it comes with belt loops, so you can belt it to give it a bit of shape. It does look nice unbelted as well. I think especially if you were a little bit taller, it would definitely look nice unbelted. It has that even more kind of slouchy vibe to it. And it does have a little bit coming in at the waist, so you still have some shape there. But I do love that it has belt loops, so it has that option. It's the perfect thing that you would wear like on a long haul flight or something. So you can put the belt on to walk through the airport and then obviously take it off as soon as you're through. You can wear it like drop waisted like that as well. I think it's so nice. I want it in all the colours and I'm obsessed with it. So this is a dress from Free People. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's called the This Is Love midi or something. It's got this really lovely slit, so it's very flattering. Comes in really nicely at the waist. It's got these little kind of boob cups, so you don't really have to wear a bra with it, which is nice. And it's really, really gorgeous. It's like a soft jersey material. Love the shape of it. They do it in a few colours, and I am tempted to get the other colours as well because it just feels really lovely. And yeah, I just need more dresses like this in my wardrobe, which I could wear kind of out at night time. Sorry, the light's really annoying me. But yeah, it's really beautiful. I love the kind of balloon sleeves, and yeah, in love. And this is the final piece I have to show you guys today. This is this gorgeous velvet ribbed body from Free People. I love the kind of shape of the neckline. It's very, very flattering. I love the big thick straps as well. And they do this in a few colours as well. This is the navy. It's like a velvety texture. It's really, really nice. Perfect for layering at this time of year, just to add something kind of on the base layer, and then you can kind of just add around it, but you still got that flattering body shape. And yeah, I really, really like it. So big fan of this one, and again considering buying the different colours as well. But anyway, you guys, that's it from me. Sorry we lost the light, so it wasn't ideal, but I hope you enjoyed this haul video, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!